Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you how to extract tabular data from websites and import it into a LibreOffice Calc spreadsheet. I selected a page from a website called Visual Capitalist. The page is ranked the top 10 EV battery manufacturers in 2023. We want to extract the table on this page. Copy the URL to the clipboard and open a blank spreadsheet. To extract the table, go to Sheet in the main toolbar. In the drop-down menu, select External Links. In the pop-up menu, paste the target URL to URL of external data source and, very importantly, hit Enter. After some seconds, another window pops up. Ignore the settings and hit OK. In the upcoming available tables and ranges, we select HTML1. The table will appear on the spreadsheet and we can make it look nice. The HTML2 table stems from another page, which you can open with a Continue Reading button. Play around with the other two items to see what else was extracted. This concludes our video about scraping data from the internet. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.